Have you ever wondered how airplanes are made? These incredible machines are among the most complex ever created, and their manufacturing process is a fascinating feat of engineering. Airplanes have revolutionized transportation, commerce, and even warfare, enabling the rapid global movement of people and goods. In this video, we'll dive deep into the manufacturing process of airplanes, exploring how they are designed, constructed, and tested. Before we get started, please do hit the subscribe button below in order to get all the future fascinating content updates from Smartly Genius regularly. Let's get started. Design and concept. The journey of airplane manufacturing begins with the design and concept phase. Engineers and designers collaborate to create a blueprint for the airplane, considering aerodynamics, weight distribution, and safety. This phase is critical because any errors here could lead to serious consequences later in the manufacturing process. Aerodynamics is a key aspect of airplane design. Engineers use computer simulations and wind tunnels to test and refine designs, ensuring the airplane will fly efficiently and safely. They also consider the weight and balance, engine placement, and materials to be used. Famous airplane models like the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380 have unique design features. The Boeing 747's distinctive upper deck hump houses the cockpit and provides extra passenger space, while the Airbus A380's double-deck layout allows for more seating and reduced noise levels. Advancements in computer technology have revolutionized the design process. Engineers use computer-aided design (CAD) software to create detailed 3D models of the airplane, which can be tested in virtual simulations before any physical prototypes are built. In summary, the design and concept phase is crucial in creating a safe and efficient aircraft. Engineers and designers use advanced technology and simulations to refine the design, considering factors like aerodynamics, weight distribution, and safety. The resulting blueprint serves as the foundation for the rest of the manufacturing process. Materials and manufacturing. Once the design and concept phase is complete, the materials and manufacturing process can begin. Airplanes require materials that are strong, lightweight, and able to withstand extreme conditions such as high altitudes and rapid temperature changes. Common materials include aluminum, titanium, carbon fiber composites, and high-strength alloys. The manufacturing process involves creating various components like the fuselage, wings, engines, and landing gear. Each component's manufacturing process differs based on the material and design. For example, wings may be created using extrusion, where long pieces of aluminum are formed into the desired shape, or constructed using carbon fiber composites layered and cured in a mold. One significant advancement in airplane manufacturing is the introduction of robotics and automation. Robots perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed, increasing efficiency and reducing human error. For example, robots can drill and install thousands of rivets in the fuselage, ensuring a secure and consistent bond. Computerized systems and digital control centers play a crucial role in airplane manufacturing. These systems monitor and manage the process, ensuring components are constructed to precise specifications and safety standards. Once individual components are complete, they are assembled into a complete airplane. This process involves attaching wings, engines, landing gear, and other components to the fuselage, fitting and securing them carefully to ensure safety and efficiency. Rigorous quality control checks are performed throughout the manufacturing process to ensure each component meets safety standards. Components undergo stress tests and other checks to ensure they can withstand the stresses of flying. When the airplane is complete, it undergoes flight simulations and safety checks before being cleared for use. In conclusion, the materials and manufacturing process of airplanes is a complex and precise undertaking. Strong, lightweight materials are used, and the manufacturing process involves a combination of manual labor, robotics, and digital control systems. Quality control checks at each stage ensure the airplane meets safety standards, resulting in a machine capable of flying safely and efficiently. Assembly and testing. The final stage of airplane manufacturing is the assembly and testing phase. This complex process involves integrating various components into a functional aircraft. It begins with the fuselage, to which wings, engines, landing gear, and electrical and hydraulic systems are attached to ensure smooth operation. Throughout assembly, the airplane undergoes numerous safety checks and tests. For example, wings are tested for levelness and control surface functionality, landing gear is tested for takeoff and landing stresses, and engines are tested for power generation. Once fully assembled, the airplane undergoes a series of flight tests to ensure it can operate safely and efficiently. These tests simulate a range of flying conditions, such as takeoff, cruising, and landing. Data collected during these tests is analyzed to identify any issues or areas for improvement, which are then used to make adjustments to the airplane's design or manufacturing process. In conclusion, the assembly and testing phase is a rigorous process that ensures the airplane meets required safety standards. The data collected during testing is used to improve future airplane designs and manufacturing processes, making them even safer and more efficient. Airplane manufacturing has come a long way with advancements in materials, robotics, and digital control systems, leading to safer, more efficient, and more sustainable airplanes. The process continues to evolve, with manufacturers striving to create airplanes that are even safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. If you like this video, please do hit the like button below. Also do subscribe to Smartly Genius channel for more fascinating and informative content updates.